Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss numerical application. Yes, we have different numerical applications. Just suppose distance, time, speed based questions. Yes, time work type questions. Yes, clock depend on clock time questions. Yes, average, and we have different type application. Okay, now today we will discuss average value. Yes, what is average value? Clear? Average value is the total value of observations divided by number of observations. Clear? Average value is sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Clear? Suppose we have score in first term 80 marks. Yes. In second term 90 marks. In third exam 60 marks. Clear? Any doubt? No. And in fourth exam we score 50 marks. Yes. Suppose each papers have maximum marks 100 marks. Okay. चलिए. Then average percentage of candidate. Then average percentage of candidate is equal to sum of observations, sum of value of observation. It means 80, 90, 60, 50 divided by number of observations. We have 4. Yes, clear? Any doubt? After that अगर आप इनको ऐड करेंगे 5, 6, 11, 20, 28 divided by 4, it means 70. तो according to average value, he or she scored 70% marks. Okay, but according to this, in first exam 80, 90, 60 and 50. So these two exams ने उसकी परसेंटेज डाउन कर दी, एवरेज वैल्यू इम्पैक्ट कर गया. इसलिए यू डू हार्ड वर्क इन ईच एग्जाम. क्लियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो. थैंक यू. नाउ some applications, some properties of average. Yes, some properties of average. First property. Yes, first property. Average lies between maximum and minimum value. Yes, average lies between in which maximum and minimum observation. जैसे सपोज मैंने अभी एग्जांपल लिया था आपको एंड 90, 80, yes, 60 and 50. You know their average क्या था आपका 70. तो 70 जो है लाइज बिटवीन 90 एंड 50. तो एवरेज वैल्यू ऑलवेज मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू के बीच लाई करती है, बिटवीन लाई करती है. Yes, in case by mistake, by any silly mistake, अगर हमारा आंसर मोर देन 90 या लेस देन 50 आए तो इट मीन्स 100% क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? चलिए, सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टीज if the value of each observation is increased or decreased by a numbers, then its average value is also increased and decreased. Example? Yes, example ले लेते हैं सर. Okay, suppose we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These 5 observation. Yes, these 5 observation. Yes, their average value mean value. Yes, is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Yes, number of observation. You know the sum of observation is equal to 18, 24, 28, 30 divided by 5, its value 6. Average value is 6. Yes, suppose each term increased by a value a. 4 plus a, 6 plus a, 8 plus a and 10 plus a. Yes, then their sum, that is called sigma xi, is equal to, अगर आप इन सबको ऐड करेंगे, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, again 30, a plus a plus a plus a plus a, that is 5a. Yes, now न्यू एवरेज वैल्यू अगर हम इसकी जो है न्यू एवरेज वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो न्यू एवरेज वैल्यू क्या आएगी सर? बोलिए आप. न्यू एवरेज वैल्यू आएगी सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. 6 प्लस ए व्हाट इज ए इज द सम एनी रियल वैल्यू जो हमने इसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन में इंक्रीज की थी. अगर सपोज हम डिक्रीज करते तो यहाँ माइनस साइन आता, माइनस साइन ड्यू टू माइनस साइन यहाँ माइनस आता, माइनस माइनस. ओके, एनी डाउट? तो इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच ऑब्जर्वेशन is increased or decreased by some number, then average value is also increased and decreased by the same number. Clear? Any problem? Now next property is, if value of each observation is multiplied और डिवाइड. एक्चुअली ये दोनों सिमिलर है, नो प्रॉब्लम. यस, ईच वैल्यू ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज मल्टीप्लाइड और डिवाइड. यस, देन देयर एवरेज वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाइड और डिवाइड बाय द सेम नंबर. एग्जाम्पल देखिए सर, एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं सर. ओके, suppose we have 3, 5, 8, clear? 3, 5, 8 and 4. We have these 4 observation. Yes, then their average value, you know, sum of observations divided by number of observation. Yes, it means 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Yes, clear? Any doubt? No? Now suppose each observation is multiplied by any number. You can say any number, you can let any number 2, 3, 4, otherwise you can write general number a. Suppose each number multiplied by a, that 3a, 5a, 8a and 4a, then their average value, new average value is equal to, क्या आ जाएगा आपको? इन सबको ऐड करेंगे सर. 3a, 5a, 8a and 4a divided by 4. You have 28 divided by 20 divided by 4, that is called 5a. Yes, clear? 5a, right? a into 5. Yes, a is number जिससे हमने ऑब्जर्वेशंस को मल्टीप्लाई किया, एंड 5a मीन्स ऑल्ड एवरेज वैल्यू, यानी कि एवरेज वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सेम नंबर. कोई डाउट? क्लियर? यस, क्लियर. अब सपोज in any competition any एनी काउंसलर, एनी कोई भी जो है मतलब सपोज आपको जो है कोई भी इंटरव्यू आपको लेता है तो वो क्वेश्चन पूछता है, सर बोले बोलिए, सर द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ माई एम्प्लॉयज इज 60,000. ओके, यस सर. एंड लास्ट मंथ हमने एवरी एम्प्लॉयज की जो है 5,000 सैलरी इंक्रीज की. कैन यू टेल मी द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ माई एम्प्लॉयर? अब सपोज अगर स्टूडेंट्स को क्लियर है पॉइंट, तो देन ही और सी कैन से कि सर इफ each observation is increased or decreased some number, then its average value is also increased or decreased. So it means sir its average value of your employer is also increased 5,000. Yes, clear? Simply, if each observation is multiplied or divide, yes, multiply or divide by some number, then its average value is also multiplied by same number. Clear? Any problem? Sure? Any doubt? No? Now next point is combined mean. Next point is a combined mean. Yes, next topic is combined mean. Combined means what is, you know, combined means? Can you tell me? बोलिए. combined mean. Combined mean. Yes, can you tell me? No? चलिए. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3 x1, x2 and xn. We have n numbers. Yes, and y1, y2 and m. These are m number. Suppose their means is x bar, their means is y bar. Okay. Yes, मैंने कहा प्लीज सर कैन यू टेल मी कंबाइंड मीन ऑफ दीज टोटल नंबर्स, टोटल m plus n numbers. Then you can say sir combined means is equal to total number is n plus m. Yes, total number is n plus m. Yes, n into mean and m into their mean. Yes, clear? Suppose एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं सर. सपोज in your section, in your class, total students 40. Suppose total students 40. Yes, girl is 10 and boys is 30. Yes, clear sir. Suppose मैंने कहा सर गर्ल्स का जो एवरेज रिजल्ट है सर दैट इज 95%. ओके, यस, वेरी गुड. एंड बॉयज का जो एवरेज रिजल्ट है सर दैट इज 92%. सर कैन यू टेल मी एवरेज रिजल्ट ऑफ योर क्लास? कैन यू टेल मी एवरेज रिजल्ट ऑफ योर क्लास? ओके, तो सर कंबाइंड एवरेज इज क्लास एवरेज इज नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स दैट इज n1 एंड x1 और दैट इज n2 दैट सपोज x2. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका n1 x1 प्लस n2 x2 डिवाइडेड बाई n1 प्लस n2. It means combined result of your class you can say 95 into 10. Yes, 92 into 30 divide by 40. Yes, you can say 950 plus divided by 40. Yes, you can say 6, 11, 17 and 3 divided by 4. Cancel. It means 92.75% average result of your class. Okay, so it's very important application of for your future. Okay, clear? Thank you so much. Thank you.